I'm back. Not 100%. I appreciate your patience through this. So if you don't know, the week before Christmas, the week before Easter, I tested positive for type A flu and a sinus infection. So I was down and out for about a week. Finally came back. If you notice when you watch my videos, I kept saying after I sort of recuperated from the flu, I just wasn't feeling good. I think there's one or two videos where I'm like, I think I'm getting a cold. So I took my daughter to Nashville. We went to a supernatural convention, and I started getting this horrible cough. One night while we were in Nashville, I got like 2 hours sleep because I was just coughing my head off, and I felt terrible. But you know, for you kids, you just push through it. So on the drive home, I told my daughter, I said, I'm going to have to stop at the ER. I was like, I'm so sick. You can still kind of hear it in my voice. So I stopped at the ER, and they said that I still had the sinus infection and I had post-flu pneumonia. So I went on 2 cough medicines and an antibiotic. I'm still on the antibiotic. Totally wiped me out for like a week. I mean, I have barely been functioning. Then on Friday, my face, I don't know if it's going to show through on the camera, and I've tried to cover it up today with some makeup, but my face started breaking out in an allergic reaction. I'm like, what? I have so many tiny red bumps on my face. It looks and feels like sandpaper. It's horrible. And it was just red and itching. My earlobes were swollen. You can see on my neck here, hopefully, where I scratch in the middle of the night. So I went back to the doctor. She said my lungs still sounded terrible. There was no way for her to really determine what I was allergic to. So because of my lungs, because of the allergic reaction, I got a shot of steroids. So I'm now on 2 cough medicines, an antibiotic, an oral steroid, and Benadryl. Y'all, the struggle is too real. It's too real. But I posted the last pre-recorded video that I had today, and I was like, I cannot let my people down. I got to get back in recording. So I did put some makeup on. I think that's probably going to be a bad idea later on because it's just irritating my skin. So let's bust out some videos and then go wash my face. Oh, and how y'all like this new background? Yay? Give me a thumbs up if you like the new background. Alright, so today we got a Petit Vour box to open. So if you'd like to see what I got in this month's Petit Vour, which is actually my final month because I did cancel this box, then just keep watching. Open your box and you get this cute little card. Apparently this box is celebrating their 5-year anniversary. So it says celebrating 5 years of cruelty-free beauty. So the first thing we have in here is a sample packet of an Andalou Naturals Beauty is Perfecting Face Cream. It's a single-use cream, so they probably don't have a... So this little pod retails for $3.29. The full-size jar retails for $25. It says, perfect glowing skin is yours with this daily moisturizer packed with fruit stem cells and bioactive 8-berry complex. I've used a few of their products before, and I did enjoy them, especially their sheet masks. I really like their sheet masks, so I'm excited to try that. Okay, next on our list is a Piña Colada. Sounds like Piña Colada. Piña Colada Sugar Lip Polish. This retails for $10. It says using sugar to exfoliate and rich oils to moisturize. This summery answer to a perfect pout will quickly become the sweetest part of your beauty routine. So right now I'm using a lip scrub that I got from, what's it called? Lush. And I love it, but I will put this in my needs to try box. Okay, next on our list is a Juice Beauty. I love Juice Beauty. PHYTO-PIGMENTS Last Looks Cream Blush. It says rose and purple carrot lend their gorgeous colors to this dewy cream blush that keeps skin hydrated all day. It retails for $25. So it's kind of a neutral, maybe like a little bit of a terracotta color. I love Juice Beauty, but I've never tried any of their makeup, only their skincare. So I'm excited to try that. Okay, then we got Suntegrity Vanish Organic Cleansing Oil. This is a makeup and sunscreen remover. This small size retails for $8. The full size is $32. It says vanish away stubborn mineral sunscreens, makeup, and dirt without damaging your skin's natural protective barrier. Never tried anything from this this brand. So the total box value is $33, $43, about $46 worth of product. So if you watched my subscription box video, I talk about how I just don't feel like I get a good value from this box. So I did cancel this one. I mean, the stuff in here is pretty good, but you know, with my other benevolent box, you get over $100 worth of products. So this is more of small sample sizes, etc., etc. So this will be the last box that we open from Petit Vour, as I did cancel it, but we got some pretty good stuff this time, so I'm excited to try it. I gotta give my throat a rest. I can't talk for long periods of time. All right, my loves, until next time.